Alright, so in this one I'm going to show you how to start your first course. So the courses have been uploaded already, so we can see our list of courses here under the Courses tab on the home page. So click on Courses, then down to See All. Here's my first course. I have multiple sections of this one course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the settings for one of the courses or sections and link it to an existing section. So I'll choose my section 3, settings, link existing section, and I'd like to link my section 2 to my section 3. Click next. It's asking to export grades. I'm going to export as a standard CSV, download next. But since I don't have any grades in my gradebook, I'm just going to cancel it. If you do happen to have grades in there, you could save it. Either way, it doesn't matter. We're just starting off. And then link sections. So my two sections are linked within this one course. Now, since I linked my section 2 to my section 3, my section 3 ends up being my master class in a way. What happens is when I build content into my class, it'll stay or live on the section 3 class. That only matters if I choose to unlink my sections later on down the road. So I clicked on the two sections, so these are the two sections combined. I can manage the two sections, all the content, the grade books, through this one class. Next, I go to grade setup. And since my categories are weighted, I'll make sure I check the box for weight categories. And I already have 3 categories included. I need one more to complete the 100%, so that's going to be my homework category. I leave it calculated by total points, and the weight is 10% of the work. My classwork is 25%. My homework is 10. My projects are 25, and the tests are 40. I need to change the grading period weights accordingly, whether it's 80 for spring work and 20 for the final exam, or 85-15. Change the gradebook scale to MDCHS grade notations. This way we can use in our gradebook the typical letter grades, A, A-, B+, and so on, and the codes for citizenship and comments. And I'm going to save changes. We are done setting up our first course.